Hello everyone and welcome to this video guys. So I just wanted to share this video with you guys. How did I crack a 4.3 LPA job and prior to that 3 LPA internship in aerospace company with this resume guys. So let's begin and I'll share you the tips and tricks. How did I make this resume in just in one page? So before that, let me show you my offer letter of 4.3 LPA. So here it is. So that's my second job of 4 point, second job where I'll be getting a salary of 4.3 LPA and there are other benefits into it. Okay, that's my offer letter. Coming back to the resume. So there are a few things how I divided the resume. The first thing is I made this resume on Google Docs and I didn't use any template. I used the blank template for this and that is how I made it. So I divided this resume into two parts. On the left hand side, you can see education. On the right hand side, you can see experience. Okay. Coming to the education part, so there are a few things which you have to take care. Yeah. The first thing is I started like the master's education, what exactly I'm doing. Still, I'm pursuing my master's that is into human resource and analytics. Then I completed my bachelor's. The second one comes the bachelor's, then comes your 11th and 12th, and then comes your school. Okay. When it comes to skill, mainly focus on the skills which are core skills of your job role. For example, if you are a developer, then focus mainly on the developer related skill set, maybe Java, Python, or whatever it is. And I'm working as a HR. So for me, these were the important skills. The number one is communications, recruitment, analytics, and Microsoft Office. These were the major skills being a fresher or being a person who has just completed, 1.5 years into the HR. These were the skills which I focused on. Then coming to the languages, because communication is very important, so languages becomes more important to HR. So languages, it's English, Hindi, Kannada, Konkani, and Marathi. These are a few languages which I know. And apart from that, I also mentioned about my interest. I have core interest into digital marketing, teaching, some part of geopolitics, and also into stock market, guys. Then these were my achievements. Awarded the best employee at the Hyatt, third rank in the college graduation, and reference is not compulsory, but you can mention the reference if you have any good references. And again, before moving to the experience, guys, another point to add on. So this resume goes to everyone, be it a person is from technical background or non-technical background. And if he has, he's a just fresher, he has done few internships and he's applying through the job, you guys can always refer to this resume. Okay. Now coming to the experience part, guys, this is very important thing when it comes to experience because me working as a HR and mainly into the recruitment, and I have seen this many a times where a recruiter goes to the experience and he finds a keyword in the experience, guys. He doesn't go into the education, what you have done, how much a percentage you have, or like how many languages you know. That is not much more. There is no more importance given to that, but when it comes to experience, it's the most important thing, guys. But either it be internship or a full-time job. Okay. Coming to the experience. So these were my experience. I worked as an internship at Airbus Aerospace Company. Then prior to that, before that, I worked in Hyatt Centric hospitality industry where I was working as a learning coordinator. And prior to that, I had another internship where I was a human resource intern at a Grand Hyatt. Okay. So how did I write these points? Am I very good at English? Because of that, I written this point. No, guys. It's very simple, guys. What I did is, for example, okay, my experience is into Airbus. I did internship. So my role was recruitment. So what I did is went to the chat GPT. I wrote simple sentence in the chat GPT to tell me the chat GPT that I told to the chat GPT key. I'm working at Airbus as an intern, as a recruitment intern. Give me 5 line points of my responsibilities. That's it, guys. And this is from ChatGPT, guys. I don't want to fake anything, but this is real. I didn't process my mind or I didn't break my head to write these things. I just wrote onto the ChatGPT and ChatGPT has given this to me. Same goes to the this responsibilities. I went to ChatGPT. I wrote it down. I worked as a learning coordinator at Hyatt Centric and give me 5 line points about my responsibilities. And this is what ChatGPT has given to me. Same goes to my another internship into Grand Hyatt, guys. I contributed to recruitment efforts, assisted in interviews, and supported employee onboarding. मुझे लगता है कि I mean कोई बंदा लिख सकता है, but looking at the English and grammar things, ChatGPT is, I mean, something what I use. Then comes to the coursework. So many people must be having a doubt. Why didn't I put it in left side or put it in a right side? Okay. When it comes to coursework, so coursework is something which is related to your experience. For example, data analytics. This is related to the experience. You being into HR also, we do work on a lot of data. So that is there. Then comes Microsoft Excel. I mean, that is very important skill in any HR domain field. Then comes digital marketing. I mean, if you're working as a HR journalist, then you must be knowing that you're supposed to do posters, marketing about employee branding and other things. So that is very important. So I took up that course. Then also Power BI, which is again related to visualizations, and that was also important for me. And next comes project management certificates. Like, see, if you want to become a good manager, or if you want to, grow into the stage, then these one of the project management certificates are very important. You understand how to manage a project or how to manage a team, guys. So that's very important. So that's it. I just completed within one page, guys. So this was that. There is no fakeness in this, guys. I mean, people say, oh, you have to use this template, you have to do this, that. Guys, nothing. I cracked internship into Airbus. I cracked my first internship through this resume. I cracked my job to this resume. Then I cracked my second job also through this resume. That is a 4.3 LPA, guys. So this is very simple and neat resume, guys, which you guys have to focus. Don't focus on the fancy things, guys. Just make sure that you put it in a simple way and you'll get through it, guys. That's it, guys. And if you need any help with related to resume, how to make a resume, bhai mere se nahi hota, I have some issues, this, blah, that, and all. I have put down WhatsApp group link. Join through that group. Ping in that group. Let me know how can I help you. How you guys? Please do let me know. Also, please uh, follow me on LinkedIn. You can ping me on LinkedIn. You can just type Akash Naik and I'll be there on the LinkedIn, guys. Yeah, I'm always there for you guys. Don't worry. If you need any help, any support, please do reach out to me. I know the only thing is key the surroundings where I'm sitting key. I mean, the background is not proper. I hope I'm visible through the camera. Camera की थोड़ी quality उतनी अच्छी नहीं है, but I can understand, guys. But nevertheless, this is just the beginning, guys. There are a lot of things to go on. So stay tuned. I'll tell you, आज ना 30 तारीख है. That's 30th of July, and it's 11:10 in the night. I promise you, within 6 months, by December 30th, I'll make a promise over here that things will be changed. Aj, there is no color behind me. I'll make sure that I'll bring colors to everything. Stay tuned till then. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.